Okay, so finally somebody made a cordless hand mixer that makes sense. Well, I mean, there's a lot of hand mixers, but most of them are not cordless. And if you do any kind of work in the kitchen, and I'm talking about private kitchen mostly, these hand mixers usually have the cord, and it's really messed up that you have to plug it and go around and all that. Well, these guys solve that. And it is right here. It is actually rechargeable and good to go. And yes, as it says here, it's for the single clip pieces. But first, let me take it out and show you what we have inside the box itself. And if you're wondering, this is just regular water. I just took it here just for mixing, you know, just as an example. Obviously, we're not gonna fully cook right now. First things first, we have a USB Type-C to Type-A standard charger, like that. And on the side here, we have the base. Yes, it has an actual base that will hold your inserts too. Look at that. You can put them in here, sit like a normal mixer. Let me just put them like this. Look at that. Come on. This is very well thought, by the way. Look at this. Perfect. We have the hooks here that you can mix dough. We have the other mixers here. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. And this is the mixer itself right here. This looks really good. Wow. Okay, and it feels good. This is like a stainless steel. That's where the motor is inside. That's where the air comes in and out for the motor so it doesn't overheat in both sides. In and out. You have the function buttons and the release button, just like you have in all the mixers, to release the inserts right here. You click this play button right here to turn it on. You go up and down the numbers up to 7 and down to 1. In order to start it, just click this again. As you see, right now it is spinning. Click it again to stop it. Let me put some inserts really quick, but just be careful when you insert them. Make sure that you are not turn it on. As you see right now, hold this button like this till it turns off. Make sure it's fully off. Then insert the attachments. Boom, one of them. And in the other side, we have the other one. Boom, just like that. That's how easy it is. Now we can click here. Let me put these aside so we don't grab them by mistake. This is just regular water. Absolutely nothing else on it. And I'm going to put it on 1. Look at that. Come on. Look, perfect. And you can increase it. Whoa, whoa, this is a lot. Look at that. And you can just pause it at moment's notice. Look at this thing. It's actually really cool. Look at that. This is really, really cool. Boom. And you stir and mix and all that good stuff. Let me stop it completely because we're going to put the other attachments. Make sure it's fully stopped like that. Let me shake these a little bit and take them off. Boom, just like that. Press the button and they pop off. And yes, these are all stainless steel. These are nothing cheap here at all. Pop this one back in here somewhere. Boom, it clicks in. Just like in all the hand mixers, pops in, and then we turn back on, click play. Look, just like that. And you would be stirring, I don't know, you'd be doing eggs or doing something else, and it actually does a really, really good job at spinning. Look at that. Wow. Let me stop it real quick, and I'm gonna put the hooks really quick that are mostly for dough. But first, always hold the play button until it turns off. Boom, now it's off. And now simply click these two. It even threw it away. That's how good this is. So it makes sure that it really comes out. And now, what else do we have? The dough hooks. And let me insert them. Make sure the machine is completely turned off before you put any kind of attachments. Boom. Let me put these here. Boom. They're clicked and they're ready to go. Now turn it on, click play, and look at that. They're spinning and ready to mix. If you had dough here, it would do that. This is really cool. Look at that. I mean, you cannot get any easier and better than this. Haha, this is cool. Let me pause it. Always, as I said, make sure you hold the play button until it fully turns off. Boom. Now that's off. Click this button right here and they come off. That's how easy this machine actually is. And we take the water away just really quick because we don't need it right now. We put them on here. Look at that. Just look at how beautiful this is actually designed. Boom. So you have this more almost like a commercial presentation in your own kitchen. Look at that. Seriously, this is a beautiful design. I gotta give it to them. And yes, it can go on this side too if you want to, because it has the handle like this, as you see, almost what you would call upside down, just in case you want to put it in charge, because yes, the charge port is on the handle itself. This is actually a cool touch. Right here is the USB-C charge port, and you just plug it in to charge it. Boom. Just with any USB-C that you would charge your own cell phone or whatnot. And this one has a 12 volts motor inside. So it has an inverter to convert it from 5 to 12. And the battery is 2000 milliamps or 2 amps. Not sure if you can see it right there. Yep, 22.2 watt hours. So this is actually a beautiful machine. And when you plug it to charge, I have just a regular charger here, nothing fancy. Let me turn it off completely again, just like that. And when you plug the USB-C to charge it, you'll see that light right there. As you see, it blocks you from turning it on while it's charging. So nothing functions while charging, and that's good because it protects it. That blinking is not happening in real life. That's just the camera. Let me see if the other camera does it. Oh, okay, the other camera doesn't make it blink. So this is how it appears in real life. This is absolutely beautiful, because you can take it with you at any corner of the kitchen and you just store it like that. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this design. I've been looking for one of these for a while because I really have gotten tired of the hand mixers that are just too bulky. You have to store it with a cable. You got to worry about the cable getting tangled somewhere, instead of just having it with a battery. How hard was this to be made years ago? Years ago. And yes, I can rest it here while working on something with the attachments on. So this is, I gotta say, I gotta give it to them for actually designing something very beautiful. Because if I want to do quick pancakes and I want to make the batter and I want to just mix really quick, and I start with the eggs with a touch of cream, before I add the flour, go with a whisk. Then when I add the flour, go with a mixer. Or if I want to make some thicker dough for biscuits or something, go with the hooks. I mean, you cannot get any easier than this. This is seriously, I know to a lot of you probably it sounds, what are you talking about? It's just a hand mixer. You don't understand the pain you have to go through with hand mixers that you have to carry the cord around. And sometimes the cord gets doughy. I have seen it. It has not happened to me, but I've seen that cord get tangled on the attachments and start sparks and fires and all that. None of that will happen with this one because it's actually protected. You don't have to worry about that. Boom. So you see, it's on and working, and I don't have any cables around at all. Look at that. Cannot get any easier. Literally is the best way I've seen design one of these hand mixers. Look at that. Boom. You're ready to store it. I am really happy that they sent this to me. You know, for the sake of transparency, I gotta say now, we have to say these things. This was sent to me free of charge for the purposes of this show and review and all that. And I gotta say, it's beautiful. I like it, and the build quality is really, really nice. And yeah, link will be down in the description. You can go check it yourself if you want to. And that link is an affiliate link between me and Amazon, not between me and these guys. So if you click through that link, I might make a few pennies at no extra cost to you at all. It simply helps this channel. If you want to like and subscribe, that'd be much appreciated, but never taken for granted or expected. So we'll see you next time. Bye.